Hi, this is Adityan from Mockat. In today's video, we'll look at the updated IIM CAP cutoffs for the year 2024 to 2026. The common admission process, CAP, takes place every year for shortlisting and interviewing candidates for admission to the MBA PGP programs of CAP participating IIMs. There are 10 IIMs that participate in the common admission process in 2024. IIM Nagpur is the recent addition to CAP 2024 process. IIM Kashipur is the coordinator for CAP 2024. IIM Bodh Gaya, Jammu, Kashipur, Nagpur, Raipur, Ranchi, Sambalpur, Sirmaur, Tiruchirappalli and Udaipur are the colleges that participate in the CAP process. And these are the revised cutoffs for the year 2023. We can see that the overall cutoffs has increased from 92 to 94 for general category, 70 to 77 for EWS, 74 to 77 for NC-OBC, 54 to 60 for SC, and for ST and DAP, the overall cutoffs remain the same. The increase in cutoffs is owing to the steep increase in the number of test takers this year. IIM Udaipur, Kashipur and Ranchi have already released their cutoffs. It is expected that other IIMs under CAP will follow soon. We will update you if there are any other updates. So subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to receive notifications. Do like the video if you found it helpful. Thank you and good luck.